There was a time to create a video, you had to hire voiceover, video editing expert, and SEO expert to create a video, which is very troublesome and time consuming, and it cost much high. But what if this video you can be create with one click using AI? If you are hire someone from Upwork or Fiverr to create this video, you will need minimum spend $100. But if you build this same video using AI, your cost will be less than 90%. So you must have to watch this video to the entire. I recommend you for don't skip any second, because if you skip any second you don't understand properly. Let's get started. First I'm going to InVideo.io. You can see here is a free for join. This link I will attach in description below. When you click you are redirected to this website. First I'm going to here, then click on create new. Now you need to select what type of video you want to create right now. Example of I want to create a 10 tips for weight loss, 10 tips for weight gaining, top 10 most visiting place in New York, Japan and Dubai, top 10 restaurant in Dubai, etc, etc, and chat GPT benefit of 2024, etc, etc. What video you want to create, just enter here, then deliver. So first I want to create why ball are so popular Europe. This is my video topic. Then if you write why cricket are so popular in South Asia, or why cricket are not popular in America, Europe, and etc, etc, top 10 weight loss tips, etc, etc. So I need to click on generate a video. Just click this icon, then you need to wait few seconds, because this is processing it. You can see analyzing my data, this tool. So I'm really impressed and thankful for this tool. So I'm waiting. Keep in mind these tools are YouTube and Google and so many big company certified, because YouTube have lots of video using created AI, and YouTube are allow this video because this is a real human type of video deliver you this tool. Wow, nice. Now I need to select audience, what type of audience to watch my video. So I want to select sports, then look and feel inspiring, then platform YouTube. So if you want to post on Facebook, just select Facebook. So I am click on YouTube because I want to create this video for YouTube only. So when my video are completed, I also able to upload on Facebook. Facebook does not mind for this setting. Wow, my video are already successfully completed. So if I does not like any clip or any image, just go to edit button, then edit your script, image and etc, etc. But I don't need it because I create this video for only example. So now I want to export this video. Just click on export, then export video. Then you can see this is a watermark. So if I download this video with free plan, and this tool automatically generate watermark. But if I update my plan, you can see subtitle I able to add my video then 4K resolutions. So I don't need it. I need only 720 or normal. So on 1080 pixel and stock watermark. So just click on continue. This is free method, but if you generate this video with business purpose, or you are really want to upload the video on YouTube, then you are able to make money from YouTube AdSense and etc etc. You must need upload their plan. So my video are already started downloaded. So this is crazy, right? So what type of video you want to, please comment below. If you have found this video helpful, please subscribe this channel. See you next video. Take care. Goodbye.
In the early days, football in Europe was a nascent sport, a rough-and-tumble game played on the streets with little to no rules. It was in the year 1863 that the first set of standardized rules were written down in England. This was a pivotal moment in the history of football. It was the birth of association football, the game we know and love today. Over the next few decades, football spread like wildfire across Europe. It was played in schools, universities, and local clubs. It was a game of the people, accessible to all regardless of social standing. It was during this period that some of the oldest football clubs in the world were established, clubs that still exist today, rich in tradition and history. As the 20th century dawned, football had firmly established itself in the cultural fabric of Europe. National leagues were set up, and international